Hi, my name is Lori Schneider with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of ExpertVillage, today we're going to show you how to make roasted root vegetables. Next, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just going to do about 2 to 3 teaspoons or tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And that's going to give it a nice color and a nice flavor. And you want extra virgin because it's going to really, the flavor's going to enhance as we cook it in this dish. Okay, now we're going to add just a little bit of honey. And again, we're going to drizzle it over our vegetables. And I'm probably going to add about a tablespoon of honey. And the honey is really going to bring out the sweetness and the caramelization of all of our squashes and parsnips and carrots and garlic. It's going to be a really great addition. The last step we're going to do is mix it all up so there's a nice distribution of everything. So just with your hands, get in there and make sure everything is nice and mixed and coated with the salt, pepper, olive oil, and all the herbs and the garlic. And it smells amazing already. All right, and this looks great. And now we're ready for our next step.